What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to sell digital products on System.io. Now System.io is a pretty versatile platform. It does not only allow you to sell products but also creating landing pages, create email marketing campaigns, sales funnels and so much more. Now here, once you create your System.io account, it's pretty easy to use creating your account. I'm on my main dashboard here. Now, if you go to products, you can only see physical products, orders, coupons, courses, and communities. There is no option for digital product. However, you can still sell digital products on System.io, and the way to do it is to sell it as a course. Now, if you go to courses, here I don't have any courses. Let's create a new course. And here we have the domain, which is the name of the course. At the domain name, they do like provide a custom domain name provided by them. Now the name of the course, let's say how to simple. Let's say I'm selling an ebook, for example, and I'll name it How Simple, or you should enter here the name of the book itself. So let's say How to Affiliate Marketing. Okay. And the domain, you can choose this domain. Now the URL path here, it's set of course as the domain dash course dash here affiliate. Okay, and now you select a theme here. Let's say I like this one in pink. Select the theme and save. Now your course is saved. However, we still need to edit the details. Now after we clicked on the course here in the courses list, open the course, I need to add a module. Module name, let's name it test, for example. Save again. Now we need to add lecture. Now the lecture here will be like the file that you are selling. Now let's say here, for example, the how to do affiliate or how to start at affiliate marketing. Okay, and here you can enable comments and select a template. Let's select this one. You can preview it if you click on it. Okay, this is selected. Now let's save. And once you click on the lecture here, you can edit all the settings. So here is the page of the lecture. You can go ahead and add items to this page, such as text, headline text, content box, and so much more. And any text or logo or image that is here, you can get it edited. So if I highlight this text, for example, so this is the title, or in this case, for example, your ultimate guide to affiliate marketing. And here you can add a photo. Okay, let's go back. You can add a photo, an image here of your ebook, or the cover photo of your ebook here. And you can select items to delete them or add links to it. So let's delete this item. Okay, and let's also highlight the lesson 1, delete it. And in a video here, you can delete this video section or add a video if you have a video introduction of your book, for example. But for an ebook, let's delete it. And you can go ahead and edit the text here for description, add bullet points, add like info about your book. And what you can do here is to add a link. So for example, let's add a text, or let's select this text. Let's say click here to download the book. Okay, and here you can add a link, for example, to a Google Drive, add a Google Drive link to your ebook. So upload your ebook on a Google Drive or on any cloud storage, and add the link here to this sentence or this word. So here you can type in the URL, and this is the way to add digital product. Now, once you've edited this page, go ahead and save the changes. And your changes are now saved. Now let's exit. And let's go ahead and see here. Let's go ahead and click on these 3 dots here. You can duplicate it, edit it, view, and activate it. So let's activate it here. Of course, you need to activate this lecture. And to accept payments, you can go here to your settings and add payment method to be able to accept payments. So let's go here to our settings. And the payment gateway, of course, you need to connect any payment method in order to be able to accept payments for your course or for the digital product that you added. So you can connect, for example, Stripe or get like cash on delivery if it's a physical product. Now, of course, you need to complete your profile and verify it in order to add payment gateways and be able to start getting paid for your digital product.